This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Montilia. Turnkey first floor coach home with desirable eastern-facing lanai overlooking the first fairway on the lake's course, with spectacular lake and golf course views. This home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The third bedroom with French doors is set up as an office but is easily transformed into a third bedroom. Kitchen has been updated with black stainless G appliances, new decorative fans and light fixtures. Master bedroom offers a large walk-in closet and has a brand new master bedroom set that will be staying. And #XD and #SAW. If you are looking for an active lifestyle, look no further. 27 holes of championship golf, 14 pickleball, 8 tennis and 6 bocce courts. State-of-the-art fitness center that is professionally staffed and so much more. Pelican Sound is nestled up to the Estero River with access to the Gulf of Mexico. The community offers dry boat storage, kayaks, canoes and paddleboarding, along with a shuttle boat to Lovers Key State Beach Park. Minutes from RSW International Airport and surrounded by fabulous shopping and restaurants. Start living the dream. For more information, review the details below.